Hello everyone! Welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna make Gerbera flower. So insert one end of the paper strip into the slotted tool. Start rolling the paper strip tightly around the tool, keeping the paper evenly aligned as you roll until you reach the end of the strip. Allow the coil to unwind a bit by gently releasing tension from the rolled strip. Now to create the teardrop shape, pinch one side of the coil between your thumb and index finger. I used 1 mm wide paper strips here and 11 inches long. Gently adjust the teardrop by pressing on the rounded part if needed to make the shape more defined and symmetrical. Use tweezers if you need to make fine adjustments, especially if the coil is small. So we're gonna put glue at the back of the petals, so when we curve it or when we shape it, it will not be ruined. Once your teardrop shapes are complete, set it aside so you can make the other parts of the flower and you can arrange it later. This is gonna be our petals. Okay, so when it's dry, just roll it like this. Now we're gonna make our center, and this is called fringing technique. The size of this paper strip is 10 mm. You can use a ruler to measure and mark a line along the length of the strip to indicate the depth to which you will fringe. This is to ensure consistency in the cuts and prevents cutting too deep. Hold the paper strip carefully and using sharp scissors, make small cuts along the length of the strip starting from one edge up to the marked line. Keep the cuts close together for a fine fringe or slightly wider apart for a coarser look. Aim for around 1 to 2 mm gaps between cuts. It's important to be consistent with the spacing for an even fringe. The size of the black paper strip is 5 mm. As you roll, the fringe will begin to fan out, creating a fluffy or textured look. Once you've finished rolling, apply a small dab of glue to the end of the strip to secure the roll. Hold it in place for a few seconds to allow the glue to set. After gluing, you can use your fingers or tweezers to gently spread out the fringe for more volume. Okay, so this is 2 mm and we're gonna use 5 pieces paper strips, 160 GSM. Now begin rolling the paper tightly around the tool and keeping the edges aligned as you roll. Roll the entire strip to form a tight coil. Once the coil reaches the desired size, apply glue to the end of the strip to secure the coil. Hold it for a few seconds to let the glue set. Now gently press down on the center of the coil using this mini mold. As you press, the coil will begin to rise into a dome shape. For more rigid and durable dome, you can apply a thin layer of glue on the inside of the dome, and this will help the shape hold and stay in place once dried. Allow the glue to dry completely before using to prevent it from losing its shape. Now, arrange the petals around the flower center. Apply a small dot of glue to the base of each petal and attach it to the edge of the center coil. Continue gluing the petals around the center coil in a circular pattern until all petals are attached. Once the petals are glued in place, allow the entire flower to dry for a few minutes so the glue sets properly. And we're done! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like this. Also hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. If you have any questions, ideas, or requests for future videos, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating and have fun with your Gerbera flower. See you in the next video. God bless you.